We've come to the end of Module 8, and it's important at this point to emphasize the fact that you must go over these examples that we've just covered in this module as much as possible. Just like I said in Module 6, when you are actually trading in the forex, you need to make sure you have the confidence to carry out the whole trading process, and this will only come about with practice. We will do more practice trades, but for now, please make sure that you review these examples in this module thoroughly. In the next module, you're going to work out how to work out your position size for your trades. And I will also show you how to use a tool that will automatically work out your position sizes for you. This all comes under the umbrella of money management, which is the trading component that needs to be utilized correctly, or it could make the difference of losing money rather than making it. So it obviously is something that needs to be learned properly. So that is what will be covered in the next module. Prepare yourself for the next module by making sure you are totally confident with everything that we've covered so far. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in Module 9.